Learn with Saravanan, Day-7. What's the process of deployment automation using CICD? Usual cycle of application onboarding starts with usual deployment automation using CICD. When the dev teams complete developing a feature, there is a need for development teams to reach out to DevOps engineers to onboard their application for promoting the code for the release. So before the feature development starts, DevOps engineers or leads works in parallel with development team to understand the build and app deployment process from dev teams. DevOps engineer / lead will come up with a deployment strategy, including the integration with infra automation, test automation tools and monitoring tools for the specific feature development. That was based on the nature of programming language used typically. In some cases, architecture decisions need to be considered, if the application is fit for container-based deployment or non-container-based deployment. Then using the tools automation knowledge of DevOps engineers, pipeline will be created with various integration needed for CI and CD tools. Once the pipeline is ready, it is recommended to test the build and deployment strategy with some sample application provided by the dev team to confirm the strategy works good and it can be used to onboard when the actual application development is complete. In case of multiple feature development teams, this process will be repeated for each teams. So finally, when the feature development is completed, the dev team approaches the DevOps engineer to onboard the application in the pipeline. The process so far explained can be the typical example of how a feature development team utilizes the DevOps engineering team for application onboarding.